guys, and welcome again to my YouTube channel. My name is me, your favorite baby girl, your favorite dimple baby. Today is actually 25th of December 2023 here in Nigeria. So if you're a new subscriber, you're welcome. A returning subscriber, I love you guys so much. So today is Christmas. I was like, I have a lot of cooking I want to do, okay? And I'm going to market right now. I feel like Kilo Shelley, I should carry you guys along, from morning till I'm done cooking, and I want to go and do local somewhere else. I'm a great chef. Don't think about it. Don't think about it. If you need a local, I can, I'm sure for you. Okay. So I'm going to carry you guys along today. So let's go to the market. We have rice already. We have pepper. We have groundnut oil. I just need some spicy, and I will get some chicken as well. So you guys, let's go. There's no Christmas without chicken. Did I get it right? Yeah, the finish is always different, right? So let's go to the market. Let's go to the market. To the market. To the to the market. To the Paris, David, I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. Hey, I wanna wish you the Christmas. Hey, I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas of my heart. So this is me wishing you. When you have children at home, you always know. There's always a different feeling about it. So let's go to the market. Yeah. Going to see the market. I'm going to buy something in the market. Yeah, close by. This is me actually walking down to the market. I need to get the chicken, I need to get onions, and I need to get spices. Guys, is it just me or is everywhere? Nobody has asked me what's your shoe size. I could remember vividly when I was growing up. Yeah, by that time of the year, my mom would have used broom. Who can testify to that? Our parents would have used broom to measure my leg, check my size, and so that they can know what to get for us. We are always very excited about Christmas coming because we are going to have new dress, new shoes. But this adulthood, I don't understand it at all. I don't understand. Nobody even asks for mommy, where's your send your account number, let me show you love. Am I the only one in this situation? This is actually where I got my chickens. So let's continue with our stories. Is it just me? Because nobody asked for my shoe size. Nobody asked for my clothes, size. It just shocked me. It didn't give me that Christmas feeling. Even myself as an adult, I didn't get anything for myself. This is where I was seasoning the chicken. I added my thyme, my curry, my Maggi, my onions, and just use my hand to mix everything together so that it can give me the taste I actually want. Do you understand? So I kept it for like 10 to 20 minutes in the fridge so that everything can mix very well. If you see any food blog, please always like their video, because what it's not easy to actually make a food blog. It is not easy. If you see any food vlog on YouTube, I beg, just like their video. They are doing a wonderful job, because if not for my brother, I wouldn't be able to do this thing. Like, they are doing a great job. So I actually told you that I have pepper, but I want to do like some pepper mix as well. I don't think that one was going to be enough, so that was why I bought small pepper from the market, and I was ready to grind the pepper as well, so that everything can come out so nice. Because this food, everybody really enjoyed it. Do you understand? This is the moment I was grinding, and then this is me pouring my oil in the pot. After I added my onions, I added my thyme and curry and bay leaf. So I allow it to fry for a while. So when I allow it to fry for a while, I added my tomato. I don't like plenty tomato because there's plenty tomato already in the pepper mix I have. So I pour my pepper mix. I fried. Make sure you fry very well when you are cooking jollof rice. Make sure you fry very well. And I added that pepper mix I grinded earlier. I allow it to fry for a while. I added my maggi, my salt to my taste. Do you understand? So I fried it very well so that it will give me a good eyes when I'm done. I added my maggi here. And moreover, if you have your chicken water, you had it this after frying, when you know that you fried it very well, you fry it. And I added water and I tasted it, everything was good. I parboiled my rice. After parboiled for like how many, I don't think it's up to 2 minutes. So I added my rice here, I mixed it together and I cover it. I came back to mix the jollof rice so that everything, the seasoning, the tomatoes, the pepper, everything is going to mix together. You get it, right? This is a method actually. Instead of me to buy foil paper, I cook for someone and she's always using like nylon. I was like, let me try it as well. This is where we're done. And when I went to do olokpo, so I repeated the same process I did earlier to this olokpo that I went to Ghana. It came out very nice. Everybody thanked me. They loved the food, so good. Though this one is more portion, you understand? This is more portion, and I actually had fun cooking and I looked so homeless that day. After I was done cooking, I just went to relax. So thank you guys for watching. Bye.